still broke in 2026 with phone and data in your hands, then you need to look at these 5 websites that pay Nigerians in dollars to do simple tasks online. But then, before I dive in, I want to make a very quick disclaimer here. I am not promising you anything. I am not guaranteeing you anything. The information I'm sharing here is according to my personal experience. Therefore, results will vary. What I'm sharing here is only for information purposes. So you are expected to do your due diligence, make your research before you try anything I'm sharing with you here. For what I'm sharing, no promises, no guarantee. Personally, I have tried some of those websites like the number 4th website and number 5th website. These websites, I have personally experienced it. But of course, results vary. They won't be the same. So therefore, do your due diligence, okay? Before I start mentioning this website, if you're new here or you're seeing me for the first time or you have been watching my video but you haven't subscribed, kindly just subscribe and turn your notification so that we will always meet here on YouTube when I share updates like this. Also, if you want us to meet outside YouTube, you can join my Telegram channel. That is where I share even more updates on how I'm making money online. The first website on the list is Toko AI. Now, this Toko AI, I'm just trying to review it here, and I see that it's actually a website where you can do some simple tasks online. Okay, basically here, all you need to do is just you can simply record your phone or record your everyday activity and then you post it there. Once the task is accepted, you also get paid. Just like Lua AI, I made mention about it in one of my videos on this channel, and some people here are already earning with that. So I have some messages that came to me on WhatsApp that they have been accepted and they are earning on Lua AI. Same thing as Toko AI here. Now, basically, these are just some simple tasks that you can do here. Okay, let's just look at it here. These are some of the simple tasks that you can do. AI rate responses. You simply train AI by testing some of this AI app. You know, there are a lot of AI apps that are being posted on a daily basis. So Toko AI simply gives you the task to text this AI so that they can know that yes, this AI is actually working or is delivering the value that it's supposed to deliver. And then once you test it, you also get paid. Now, how does it work? There are the 4 simple steps that you need to take. First of all, is you need to sign up and then you create your account in just a minute by using your Google account. And then secondly, you complete short tasks. And then thirdly, you start completing tasks. There's a short training task that you need to complete. That's the second step. Once you sign up, you complete a short training test, very short. Okay, and then third one, you start completing tasks, and then fourth one, you withdraw whenever your task is approved. That's how Toko AI works. It's really simple. You don't need any special skill to earn on the platform. So what I will say is this: from my own review, I haven't tested Toko AI. So if I may say, I would say try it because it's not costing you anything. There is no risk attached. So therefore, you can just want to test it out and see what your experience might be. But like I said earlier, there is no guarantees. That's why I'm making this video as a review because this particular one here, I haven't tested it. Now let's go to the second website. The second website on the list that I have personally tried is Yense. Now, a lot of people say that Yense is not paying them here in Nigeria. Well, I don't know how they're doing it, but I shared a video where I mentioned one of the secrets that I use. I have made over $74 on Yense. You're going to see the proof right here. When I started, you will see my name. Okay, I've made over $74 on Yense, and I am in Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians say they are not. Yense is not giving them enough surveils or enough money opportunities. Now, there is a secret that you can apply. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but it worked for me. Okay, you can try it now, and that secret is after you sign up on Yense, whenever you want to log into that website, you need to log in with a VPN on. Okay, when you log in with the VPN, or you can choose one of the tier 1 countries as your location. That way, Yense might be able to give you more surveils that has more money to earn after you complete them. That's one secret that I have discovered about Yense, and I have used it and it has worked for me, right? So you look for a VPN. The VPN that I use is Proton. Okay, I use Proton VPN. There are a lot of good free VPNs that you can get from Play Store. Whenever you want to log into Yense, make sure you on the VPN first. Hopefully, they will be able to give you more tasks to do. But Yense actually has paid me. Yes, it has. This is my personal experience. So I am saying that from my own review, you can try it because I have personally earned and I haven't put in any money. It's completely free. They are not asking me to put in any money. So you can try Yense. The third website on the list is Clickworkers. Clickworkers is also a micro tax website where you do simple online tax by completing surveys, doing some simple other online tasks like following platforms online, subscribing to YouTube channel. I mean, different other simple tasks that you can also create. Now, this website, they pay you in dollars. That's one thing. And the withdrawal method is really that easy. Like the one for Toloka, of course, you're going to be needing a PayPal account. You are also going to be needing either a Payoneer account or any dollar account. So if you don't have PayPal, go and open Payoneer account, and then you can be able to withdraw from there. For me, on Yense, I withdrew my money with gift cards. I used the first withdrawal I made was through Skrill. I used my Skrill account, but after that, the second withdrawal I made, I used gift card, Amazon gift card to withdraw my money. But Yense also has a Payoneer account, a Payoneer payment method that you can also withdraw from. Clickworker also has different other payment options as well. So you can try any of these three that I've mentioned. Now I'm going to mention last two, which I have personally, in fact, just 2 days ago, I withdrew from it. And that one is actually something that I am so delighted. I didn't want to share it here on YouTube. I am certain about it before I share it on YouTube. If you are still watching, that means you're getting value from this video. I will encourage you to hit the thumbs up button on the video and then share it with a lot of people who are looking to earn dollars from Nigeria with no experience. Of course, it's possible to earn dollars from Nigeria with no experience, but the thing is that you might not be able to earn as much as someone with experience. That's why I still encourage that you look out for ways and skills that you can learn that will encourage you to earn more dollars online. Okay, because to really earn big money online, you need skills and you need experience. Okay, but if we're just talking about money for data, money for food, all those simple things, these small websites I'm mentioning will actually give you that. Now let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one that I have tried personally is lightpeak.io. Lightpeak.io is something that pays me every 1 hour just by going there to claim free file set. Okay, now one good thing about lightpeak.io is that it is completely free, no investment is needed, and it pays in crypto. It pays you in Litecoin. This is one of the websites that I mentioned in my ebook. I have been talking about my ebook here. Just 2 days ago, I made a withdrawal from my Lightpeak account as a result of accumulating this Litecoin every 1 hour. The only thing is that can you be able to meet up every 1 hour to go and claim your Litecoin? Because you have to actually work to claim these things. Like you have to go into the website and claim it manually. It's not automatic. Every 1 hour, can you meet up? That is the thing. If you can meet up every 1 hour, then I would say you should try lightpeak.io. There is no investment in that. It's completely free, and all you need to do is just go ahead and start claiming it every 1 hour, and then afterwards you can withdraw. The good thing is that the withdrawal is quite easy. You can use your Litecoin wallet address, either from Binance or Bybit or any of your crypto wallets, and then you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. Okay, as you can see, I withdrew mine just about 2 days ago, and it came like I withdrew it today. They will tell you that withdrawal will take about 24 to 48 hours, but it came that day. Yeah, it came that day. So that's how it works. Just every hour you claim it. Now another cool way to earn money from the site is also to share with other people. When people are using your affiliate link, as they are earning every 1 hour by claiming that file set, you are also earning some percentage from that. To me, that's cool. So I would recommend that you try lightpeak.io. Though what it pays is really small. Every 1 hour it's small. It's not a get rich quick business or site, no. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's going to give you consistent hourly income. And then if you compound it, you can actually earn something significant. Yeah, so that is the fourth one, which I have personally tried. The fifth one, which I have also tried, is dodgepeak.io. Now, this one is similar to the fourth one, that you go every 1 hour to claim file sets, which pays you, this one now pays you in Dogecoin. That means you can withdraw any using Dogecoin wallet address. All you need to do is just go to your Binance, go to your Bybit. That's when you have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold, and then you can go there and then claim your Dogecoin by using your Dogecoin wallet address from any of your crypto wallets that you have. Now, this three websites that I have tried personally: Yense, Dutchpick.io, and lightpick.io. This platform, I have personally used them. The first two, I haven't tried them. I cannot actually tell you exactly how it is, but from what people are saying, they said that those ones are good. Of course, Clickworker is actually a legit platform, but this the last three which I have mentioned, I've tried them. So my verdict is you can try this website, especially the last three ones that I mentioned. If you can try them with hard work every hour or every day doing what you're supposed to do, there's a possibility that you can earn there. But again, no guarantees, no promises. Result will vary. The reason is because we are all different, and whenever things like this happen, we apply it with different intensity. So make sure that you are doing the best you can in order to earn money online, because to earn real money online, you need to actually work. You need to work, you need to put in the hard work. You also need some experience and some skills. Okay, now in my next video, I'm going to be talking about how I use Grok to make money every day online. You know, everybody use Grok to generate images, to generate videos, but some people are not using it to earn money. But I'm going to share with you how I use Grok to earn money online. So you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can use this strategy that I'm going to share with you in that video and maybe start earning something for yourself. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I believe you got value here. Please share this video with other people. Hit the thumbs up button so that this video will be discovered by more people who need to earn dollars from Nigeria. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.